Howdy, Year 11. How you going? Today, we're sort of branching into a new side of financial mathematics. We're looking at income. Now, you would have done a little bit of in Year 9. It's relatively straightforward mathematically. We just need to make sure that we read questions carefully and work across all the conversions that we need to make. So when we're talking about income, these are the standard time period conversions that we use. So in a year, we have 365 days, and we're going to assume that for every year. So we basically ignore leap years. For months, 12 months in every year, and then weeks is 52 weeks, not 52.14, just 52. And then fortnights is 2 weeks, so there's going to be half as many, 26 fortnights. So we need to know those things. They're obviously used fairly common every day, but we need to remember those numbers when we're doing our conversions. So in this first example, we're given a salary. Now, what we need to be aware of is there's multiple ways in which people can receive income from their jobs. Okay, you might receive a salary, which is usually described per annum or per year. And then you might get paid fractions of that salary every fortnight or every month or every week, divided up as you go. Now, some people might earn a wage, which is usually dependent on how many hours you work. Okay, so for a wage, you might get paid per hour and then, work 35 hours a day or 35 hours a week or 40 hours a week or something like that. And if you work less hours, you might get paid less. If you work more hours, you might get paid more. So a salary is kind of a fixed amount, whereas wage depends on your how much you work. So let's get into it. Here we have a salary. We have a yearly value. We've got to convert it into a month, a week, and a fortnight value. So we've just got to whip out our calculator, put in the value into our calculator, and if we're doing it per month, we simply just divide by 12. Okay, so it's going to be 5104 on 12, which equals 4255 and 33 cents. 4255. Okay, so if you were paid per month, that's what you would get. Per week, we're just going to divide by 52. Remember to show your operations. So divide by 52. And that gives us $982 per week. And then per fortnight is just going to be double that. Okay, so 982 times 2. Or we could divide the yearly amount by 26 and we get 1964. Okay, either is fine when you're converting between weeks and fortnights or years, etc. Okay, so pretty simple stuff, just dividing this yearly amount. Here we have an example of amount per week that we've got to then convert to per year and per month. Now, when we're converting per year, this is relatively simple. Okay, so it's just 283 times 52. So this time we're multiplying to get to a year, which is 14,716. So I should show my working. 283 times 52. Now, when we're going per month, we actually have to times by 52 and then divide by 12. Okay, this seems a bit awkward, but the reason is there isn't a fixed amount of weeks per month. So we can't just times by 4. We actually have to times by 52 and divide by 12 to get it per month. Okay, so once we do that, we divide that by 12, and we get our value there. So 1226 and 33 cents. Okay, so whenever you're going from week to month, convert to years first and then convert to months from that. Okay, let's look at a few more examples here. So here we have a wage, a 35-hour week paid, $22.80 an hour. Okay, we need to find out what they earn in 1 week. So it's going to be 2 to 80 times 35 to give us the amount they earn in a week. And then the amount they earn in a year then is going to be times 52. So we're going from hours to weeks to years. Times 35 times 52 gives us our yearly. So 41,496. Okay, so that's how we can convert a wage into a yearly amount and compare it to a salary. Alrighty, here, last questions. We need to convert an annual salary into a weekly salary and then an hourly salary, or basically how much they earn per hour. So in this case, we're just dividing. So it's going to be 47424 divided by 52 gives us the weekly salary. 47424 divided by 52 equals, okay, a clean $912 per week. And then per hour, we're going to have to take that value and divide by 35. And we have our hourly rate. So $26.06. Always round to the nearest cent, so 2 decimal places. And then we're there. All right, good luck today. See you later.